In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney V6 for ultra-realistic product photography. First, open your browser and head to Google. Starting from a clean search page keeps everything simple and helps you land on the official tools without distractions. If you have lots of tabs open, close a few so the site loads quickly and your focus stays on the workflow. In the search bar, type Midjourney. You'll see results appear right away. Look for the official site in the top results. It will clearly reference Midjourney and showcase visual examples. Take a brief moment to confirm you're not clicking on unrelated ads or third-party tools that aren't the official platform. Next, click on the official Midjourney website. Once you're in, find the prompt area, the text box where you describe the image you want. Midjourney V6 understands natural, descriptive language very well, so write as if you're briefing a professional photographer. Think in terms of the product, the set, the lighting, the mood, and the overall commercial finish you want. Avoid mixing conflicting styles or environments. Clarity leads to more consistent results. Now it's time to make your prompt. For ultra-realistic product shots, specificity is your superpower. Call out the subject, surface, background, lighting quality, texture, composition, and the style you're aiming for. For example, a strong prompt might read, "High-end product photography of Air Jordan sneakers on a sleek reflective surface. Clean studio background with soft gradient lighting, crisp shadows, and sharp details. Emphasize texture of the leather, stitching, and bonem, and iconic logo. Dynamic yet minimal composition, premium commercial look, hyper clean, ultra realistic, luxury sneaker advertisement style." Notice how each phrase adds clear direction. The reflective surface defines the set, the soft gradient lighting creates depth without clutter, and texture cues like leather grain and stitching push realism. Keep sentences concise, repeat the most important attributes, and stick to one hero subject so the model doesn't split focus. When your prompt feels dialed in, click Submit. Give Midjourney a moment to render. You'll see images appear in a grid. As they load, evaluate them like a photographer. Are the shadows consistent with the light source? Do reflections look natural? Is the material detail crisp where it matters? And does the composition read as premium and uncluttered? If something feels off, adjust a few words in your prompt rather than rewriting it from scratch. Tighten lighting language, re-emphasize texture, or reinforce clean studio background to remove distractions. Small, targeted tweaks often make the biggest difference. And that's the process. You've gone from a Google search to a clean, professional prompt and a set of ultra-realistic product visuals. Keep practicing with different products while sticking to the same structure, subject, set, light, texture, and style, and your results will keep improving. Happy creating!